Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, winters are here and the season of green leafy vegetables. So today, let's make a healthy yet delicious chicken curry recipe with spinach or palak, which we call as palak chicken. And here I have taken 10 to 12 chicken pieces with bones, and we will marinate them by adding 2 tablespoons of dahi or curd. Next goes a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt as per taste. We have done just a basic marination, and now we will rub the ingredients well over the chicken pieces, and we will let them rest for 20 minutes. And now comes the main ingredient of this chicken recipe, which is palak or spinach. We roughly chop the spinach. And now we shall transfer the chopped spinach into a mixer grinder. Along with spinach goes a small bunch of dhanya or coriander leaves. We'll add now a splash of water and grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this once. And our palak or spinach puree for our palak chicken is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we'll heat some mustard oil in a kadhai. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add into it 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, and 3 cloves or long. We'll let this crackle for a while. And now into this goes 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame, we'll saute them well until the onion, ginger, garlic turns golden brown in color and the raw taste goes away. And once the onion, ginger, garlic has been fried well, we'll add now the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We'll saute this well until the raw taste of tomato puree goes away. We'll now season them with some salt. We've already added some salt while marinating the chicken, so add salt accordingly. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhanya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of kali mirch or black pepper. And now on low flame, we will saute the spices well for few seconds so that they are well combined with the onion, ginger, garlic and tomato paste. We'll add now a splash of water so that the spices don't get burned. We'll mix this well. And now the spices has been sauteed and combined well with the onion tomato base. At this stage, we will add the marinated chicken. On high flame, we will fry the chicken for at least 5 to 6 minutes until the color of the chicken changes to golden brown. As you can see, by now the chicken has been well fried with all the spices. And now we will cover and let the chicken cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes by now. Let's check the chicken. The chicken is well coated with the masala and is almost 60 to 70% cooked by now. At this stage, we'll add the palak or spinach puree with a hint of coriander in it. We will now stir and saute the puree for 2 minutes or so until the raw taste of spinach goes away and they are well combined with the masala and coats well with the chicken. So by now the palak puree is well sauteed. And now again we will cover and let the chicken cook on low flame for another 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. After 15 minutes, we will stir the chicken once. I'll check the chicken pieces. It's well cooked by now. I'll add a little water as the gravy has become slightly dry. Well, apart from palak chicken, you can also try palak paneer, palak fish, and all these recipes taste so good. And now into this goes some cream, which will give a creamy flavor to our palak chicken. We'll mix the cream well with the gravy. Finally goes half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. I prefer using homemade garam masala powder as they impart a nice aromatic and fresh flavor to any dish. And I never fail to add some butter at the end in any palak gravy recipes as it adds a buttery flavor in the gravy. That's it. And here goes our creamy palak chicken into the serving bowl. Enjoy them with roti, naan, or even with zira rice or pulao. And friends, whenever I make palak chicken at home, me and my family loves to enjoy it with zira rice. So friends, do try this healthy and delicious chicken recipe during these winters and enjoy with your loved ones. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.